Alright you guys, welcome to today's vlog, and I want to let you guys know I am feeling like a boss this morning, and you want to know why? Because this lady, this housewife and mom of three, she just changed the fuse on her Volvo. Yep, that's right, like a boss. So Rich is gone, and I think one of the kids plugged in the wrong voltage into the cigarette light. I don't even think they call it cigarette lighters, into the cell phone charger lighter thing, whatever, the power thing, into the car, right? So therefore I think it only took 12 volt, and so it stopped working. And then I got on YouTube, thank you YouTube, and I checked out how to change a fuse in a Volvo XC90, and I figured it out, and I did it, and I'm pretty amazing. Rob, is your mom amazing?
I didn't see, so I don't know.
Boo, when a woman asks you if she's amazing, you say, mm-hmm. Is mommy amazing?
I still didn't see, so I still don't know.
All right, moving on with our day. All right, this is the setting up of the soccer nets. We gonna practice a little soccer? Oh, it broke? Uh-oh, is it broken?
It's all tangled up, so now it's all facing.
Uh-oh.
There.
Yay! All right, let's play.
There's Zoe.
I warn you ahead of time. I play goalie. Doesn't get past me. It might be the first week of April, but we're having 95, 100 degree weather, and I kind of like it because I feel like we haven't had nice, super hot sunny weather in a while.
That means pool days.
Pool days. We should totally do a pool party with you guys. Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, look at this little guy kicking. Little dribbler. Little dribbler. Let me see your skills, Joe.
With no socks. With no shoes on.
He has socks on. Alright. Alright. We're gonna play. We're gonna play some soccer.
Serious. Soccer.
Serious. Let me see your serious face. Ready?
Serious.
Let me see your best I'm gonna win face. Ready?
Come to where the story ends. Things will never be the same, I know. And my heart sings the lonely road we go.
On my flowers that we just planted last week and see if they're doing well in 100 degree weather. I think they're doing okay. These are my little babies. They're just so cute. I keep watering them every day, and I make sure they're fine. Alright guys, I am sitting here in our homeschool room, and I've had a lot of you mamas request that I do more homeschool videos or more homeschool curriculum videos, and so I want to give you guys what you want. And today I just want to share with you a few of the books and the curriculum and ideas that have helped us this year in our homeschooling journey. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to try and show you book titles and the actual pictures of the books so you guys can get it. All these things I think can be found on Amazon, and let's go. So the first book I want to share with you guys, it's called The Blue Fairy Book. It's edited by Andrew Lane. This is amazing. Robbie really likes this because it has all the classics Grimm's fairy tales and stuff like that, and I just kind of read it out loud to him as a chapter book. So this has been great, and it also gives a lot of vocabulary words that he might not hear elsewhere, so I really enjoyed this. Alright, next planning tip. As a mama, get yourself a great planner. This has been so wonderful for planning. I just write out our lesson plans, what we're going to do really quick. I think I got this at Target for $10. It was great, and it's a 2017-2018 planner, so I love this. Next, Brain Quest books. Oh my goodness, you guys, they also have the Brain Quest cards. So I have the first grade right now, and then the preschool. I ended up getting these at Costco in the summer for $7.99. They were super cheap, but you can get them on Amazon as well. And these are just kind of extra, if you have extra time workbooks that I do with the boys. And Robbie loves doing this. I have a homeschool friend who tells her kids when the entire book is finished that they get to go to Chuck E. Cheese, or they get to go play mini golf or something like that. So this is the twins, so you can, oh, this one's Robbie, sorry. So you can see like he's blown through the math part, and so I just kind of let him do, you know, a few pages when he needs some quiet time or whatever, whenever he's ready. And the twins, I'm just now kind of starting this with them because it's an age 4 to 5, and they just turned 4, so we're just starting some of this book as well. But they're Brain Quest, and they have them for every grade level, and they do ABCs, counting, phonics, math, vocabulary, all that great stuff. Shapes and measures, time and money. Love these, you guys. One of my favorite places to shop for curriculum when I homeschool is the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, or like the 99-cent store, and they have these fun little workbooks. This is a time and money workbook, and it is Toy Story, and so it's like Disney, and my kids are Disney freaks, they love it. So it's like, it does not get better than this for $1. So I'm gonna show you guys, we're starting a little bit on some 2nd grade math with Robbie, and it's just cute because it has like all the characters, and it's time and money. So they're counting out money, they're doing calendar, they're doing time. This is a 2nd grade one, but they had them in all different grade levels. And then I also picked up this one from the dollar store as well, and this is a 1st grade phonics that I just thought we could review kind of over the next few weeks. So I love all this kind of stuff. Okay, so the last but not least book that I want to share with you guys is one of these. They're like the Wipe Clean activity books. I love these Wipe Clean big activity book workbooks for my kids because I can reuse them over and over and over again with Robbie, with my twins, with my oldest and my twins. And even some of these, like with Robbie, I'll still kind of give him some of these like first letter sound things just kind of for review. And you can kind of tailor it to your child's age. So I think this one was actually a gift, but it was, what is it, $12.95? Which isn't bad for something that you're going to reuse a whole lot of times with your kids. So Jacob has spent the day with my parents, and so we are getting in the car. It's about, I don't know, 5:30, and we're going to get in the car, pick up Jacob, but I have to pick up Rich and Robbie first because they were at home, and so they're not with me because Joey and I had to run to the store. But I want to tell you guys, when Rich and I were first dating and like first married and like all the time throughout our lives, he would, when he calls me, he sings like Stevie Wonder, like I just called to say I love you. And so I'm gonna see it, like if he responds to it. And normally whoever calls, the other person that calls and starts singing, like you're expected to join in on the song. So let's see if he actually, all right, let's see if he remembers.
Hello?
I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
I love you too.
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Do you remember doing that and singing that to me when you'd call me? Tell me you love me.
Then I'll tell you I love you. I want to kiss you.
I have you on the vlog.
Oh.
Alright guys, so I need to ask. Hey Jakey, did you have fun at Juju and Grandpa's?
Yeah.
What did you get for everybody? For your brothers? Let me see your Slurpees, guys.
I got blueberry.
Blueberry.
I got nothing.
You didn't get one. Do you remember as kids, I don't know if you children of the 80s and 90s did this. Maybe you did this. Did you guys make, what do we call them? Like, you'd mix everything together?
Suicide.
Suicide. Such a bad name for that. All right, so that was our day. That's our night. We're gonna call it a night. It's crazy. We're putting the kids to bed, and it's like, it's still light out because it's like 7 o'clock is the bedtime for the twins, and then like 7:30-ish is Robbie's bedtime normally. And we're trying to get everybody to bed, but they had naps today, and when they have naps, it is awful because then they don't sleep at night. Are you guys with me? Any mamas out there? So we're gonna do our best attempt to put them to bed, and we will see you guys tomorrow. And we hope that if you like this vlog, you will hit the subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so that you guys are notified whenever we post a new video. We've been trying to post every day lately. We do all sorts of different kinds of videos, homeschool, Disneyland, fun everyday family life, all sorts of things. So we hope to see you guys here next time, and we'll see you, Rich isn't around. We'll see you mañana, guys. Peace.